Today we will discuss about the definition of vector space. In real time, the difficult part is often in recognizing that a problem can be solved using linear algebra or not. This in the first place needs conceptual understanding of linear algebra. First, let me define vector space in an informal way. Informally, a vector space is simply a set of objects that obey certain common rules. Mathematical objects include n-space, matrices, polynomials, continuous functions, and linear differential equations. N-space, in simple, we will call it as n-dimensional space and is denoted by r power n. Many concepts concerning vectors in R power n can be comfortably extended to other mathematical systems like matrices, polynomials, and so on. The operations between the mathematical objects are quite simple and involve addition between vectors, say u vector plus v vector, and scalar multiplication between vectors and scalars, say alpha u bar. Scalar will be either a real number or a complex number. Vector space with real scalar is known as real vector space. Vector space with complex scalar is known as complex vector space. More general notion of scalars comes from mathematical structure called as fields. We will focus only on real vector space in this course. The operations in a vector space are closed, meaning objects generated by the common rules belong to the same set. We will explore this closeness in detail in due course. The definition of an abstract vector space extends the notion of a vector beyond its physical interpretation as an object that has magnitude and direction. Abstract definition of vector space. A vector space is a non-empty set V of objects called vectors on which are defined two operations called vector addition and scalar multiplication subject to 10 axioms or rules. The definition of vector space specifies neither the nature of the vectors nor the operation. Any kind of object can be a vector. The only requirement is that the non-empty set of objects should satisfy 10 axioms. Operations of vector addition and scalar multiplication need not be similar to the standard vector operations on Rn space. 10 axioms of vector space. V is the non-empty set of objects. Plus denotes the definition of vector addition. Dot denotes the definition of scalar multiplication. 5 axioms comes under vector addition. 5 axioms comes under scalar multiplication. Axiom 1. Closure under vector addition, meaning u vector plus v vector is in V. Commutativity property, u vector plus v vector equal to v vector plus u vector. Associativity property, u vector plus v vector plus w vector is same as u vector plus v vector plus w vector. Fourth property is based on zero vector in the space. There is a vector denoted by zero vector such that v vector plus 0 vector is equal to v vector for any object v vector in V. This 0 vector need not be always the origin 0, 0 vector. It can be a number in the vector space in the non-empty set V, which when added with any object in V should give you the same object. For every v vector in V, there is a vector minus v vector called as negative vector in V such that v vector plus the negative vector minus v is equal to 0 vector, that is 0 vector of the set. The next 5 properties comes under scalar multiplication. Sixth property or sixth axiom is closure under multiplication. Alpha u vector is in V, alpha is any scalar. Alpha plus beta times u vector is same as alpha u vector plus beta u vector, distributivity law. Alpha times u vector plus v vector is same as alpha times u vector plus alpha times v vector. In seventh axiom, the scalar is summed. In the eighth axiom, the vector is summed and multiplied with a scalar. Associativity for multiplication. Alpha times beta u vector is same as alpha beta times u vector. The 10th axiom, 1 times v vector equal to v vector for every v vector in V. This axiom is called as multiplicative inverse of the multiplication. If 10 axioms are satisfied for every element in V and every scalar in F, then V is called a vector space and the elements in V are called as vectors. As we have discussed, this vector can be any object like matrices, continuous functions or polynomials. Key point: the vector space consists of 4 entities. Set of vectors. V is a non-empty set of vectors. Then set of real number scalars. C belongs to F, any scalar in field F. 2 operations we have to define: vector addition and scalar multiplication. The non-empty set V together with the definitions of vector addition and scalar multiplication denoted as V, plus, dot, satisfying the above set 10 axioms is called a vector space. Thank you.